Frustrated your Cash App card isn't swiping smoothly with Samsung Pay? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, unlock your Samsung phone and open the Samsung Wallet app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. See that plus button at the bottom right? Tap it. This brings up a new menu. Select Add Credit, Debit Card. This is how we'll manually input your Cash App card details. Now, you have two options. You can either use your phone's camera to scan your Cash App card, or you can manually enter the card details. Scanning is faster, so let's try that first. Make sure the card is well lit and positioned within the frame on your screen. The app should automatically recognize and fill in the card number, expiration date, and cardholder name. Double check everything to make sure it's accurate. If the scan didn't work perfectly, tap on the fields and correct any errors. Next, you'll need to enter the CVV code. This is the 3-digit security code located on the back of your Cash App card. Enter it carefully. Finally, you may need to confirm your billing address. Make sure the address associated with your Cash App card is correct. Almost there, review the terms and conditions, scroll down, and then tap Agree to continue. Samsung Wallet will now verify your card. You'll likely be asked to choose a verification method, such as a text message or email. Select your preferred option. Check your messages or email for the verification code and enter it into the app. Once verified, your Cash App card is now added to your Samsung Wallet. You can now use it for contactless payments wherever Samsung Pay is accepted.